Hello guys, it's Mark Newton from the School of Photography here, and in this video I'm going to give you 4 of what I think are the best tips with working with models to help them feel more comfortable, make you feel more comfortable, and ultimately improve your photography. This video is going to be as real life as it can be, because what we're using is some video footage from a camera review that I did a little while ago, where the videographer quite simply carried on filming as I was working with the model, and I didn't realize he was doing that at the time, but looking back through the footage, it's actually really valuable footage, real life working with a model that is going to be extremely valuable to the learning photographer. So I'm going to use that footage to bring you these 4 best tips. So tip 1 is to share your vision with the model. So if you go to a shoot and you don't know what you want to achieve, then obviously you're going to be on the back foot right from the start. Now, yes, you do get organic with shoots. I know that you turn up and you be organic and you can get some really cool shots, but really you should have some idea of what you want to achieve before you even start the shoot. You should have scouted the location so you know where to go and you've got ideas for positions and things like that. You should know about your color palette and what you want to achieve. And what I mean by that is you should have already directed your model on what to wear, what makeup to wear, and whether it's going to contrast with the background or harmonize with the background and things like that. And that will give you half a chance before you even get there. And then you share your vision with the model. You share what type of photograph you want to create. We're going to now look at me sharing that vision with this model here on this shoot. If you come like there, you can see.
Frame in a frame in a frame.
Yeah, and it's like really symmetrical.
Yeah.
I want you to I want you to stand dead center.
Over there.
Yeah, and look like ghostly, if you like. You know what I mean? Like look really like a statue, as if you look out of place. You know what I mean? Like there's someone. Yeah. Okay. Good. It's a dead look that I'm going for. Very good. Yeah, it's got that look that I want, which is
dead.
Well, you look at it and you think, it doesn't look like someone should be, it doesn't look like you should be there. It looks weird and odd, which is good. And I think it was that one back there that looked the best. That was the idea I had. You have got that hood, haven't you? And you bought the scarf. Let's bring some props in. We'll do the whole hood thing. Shooting through a hood. Again, I'm going to compose you central. So come towards me. There we go. That's it. The light is just hitting you in the face there. I wonder if we could get it twinkling in your eye. Yeah, we can. Yeah. Who needs reflectors? We've got the sun. The composition is really important, and it's like inch perfect, really. So you've got to kind of come over like that, and then. That's it. Good. Lovely. Very good. So what you can see there is me literally trying to explain to the model what the final result is going to be. And that is a really, really good tip. Share with the model your vision, all right? It informs them what you're trying to do, and it really helps them out and puts them at ease when they are posing for you and getting into position. And more importantly, it puts you at ease. You've then got a solid focus on what you want to achieve. My tip number 2 is to be confident and give clear directions. Now, firstly, being confident is not being loud, all right? It's not being loud and brash. That doesn't mean that you're confident. I have done group shoots before, when you get a model and you get a group of people to take pictures, there's always someone there that wants to be the loudest and want to stand in front, and they've got all the gear. Generally, they're the ones that take the worst shots. And the reason for that is that they are too brash, all right? They're too in your face. It doesn't react well with the model, and they're not actually being themselves. And I think this is the key to it, all right? Someone like that who is pretending to be confident is not actually confident. They're just pretending to be confident, okay? So confidence doesn't come from being loud. It comes from you being yourself. It comes from knowing what you want to achieve. It comes from being natural with a model and just talking to them normally. You know, keep engaging with them, telling them that the shots are looking good and, you know, all of that kind of stuff. That's where real confidence comes from. So it's confidence and clear direction, just telling them exactly what you want them to do. It makes them feel at ease. No model wants to stand there and wait, all right? They want direction, and you've got to give them that clear direction with confidence. Let's just watch me do that, okay? Let's have you in the window frame, Rosie. That's it, good stuff. Now I want you to sort of look down, and I want you to look directly at me. Nice. And again, very good. Now that is a lovely composition actually. I like the look as well. I'm going to come back and zoom in a bit and see if I can, let's see what happens if I do this. Okay, and again Rosie, look at me. Very nice. Look down, head down, your whole head down, that's it. Lift up, nice. And then just looking upwards, like a different, that's it. And how about leaning your head back on the wall? That's it, chill. That's it, good stuff. And just relax. And relax. Very nice. So as you can see from them clips, you know, I'm not being loud, I'm not being brash, you know, I'm just being normal, I'm being me, and I am trying as best as I can to constantly talk to the model and saying how good it is, what I want to achieve, move your eyes here, move your head there, you know, and all of these things. It's kind of like a constant chat, if you like. You're having a constant conversation with the model. It's keeping them at ease, it's giving them something to do, it's not giving them a chance to sort of sit and or stand and feel awkward, you know, and that's how you're going to get good shots. It really is as simple as that. It's just having that clear direction, you know, look down, look up, come towards me, I just want you to come out from the back there. Anything along them lines, that is clear direction, rather than just standing there and going, what can I do now? You know, that doesn't work when you want to shoot, all right? So that is tip number 2. Be confident, be yourself mainly, and have clear direction. Okay, before I talk to you about the next 2 tips, and I've actually got a bonus tip as well, which I'm going to tell you at the end, but before I tell you them, I want to tell you about the courses that we run over at the schoolofphotography.com. If you are looking to do portrait photography, we can teach you. We are professional, fully qualified teachers. I've been teaching since 2002. I've got thousands of students all over the world, and I can promise you that I will make you a better photographer. So if it's portraiture, studio lighting, landscape stuff, Photoshop, Lightroom, anything that's photography related, come and check us out at the schoolofphotography.com. Loads of freebies over there as well, so you can try before you buy. Okay, let's go for tip number 3, and that is to show the results. Everybody wants to look good, all right, including the model, including me, although it's very hard work for me, but we all still want to look good, all right? Show the model your good photography. They want to see it. It will put them at ease, and it will also put you at ease. You know, you will feel happy that they are liking your shots. You know, that's basically what it is. You're having a communication with the model, showing them your good stuff. They're happy, you're happy, everything's good to go, all right? So let's just watch the results of what actually happens when you start showing the model your photos. God, that one's a good one. I've got to show you this. That pose is lovely, isn't it?
Look at me.
I'll zoom in a bit.
I tell you what, Debenhams would love that.
I tell you what, that is a lovely, lovely shot.
I'm impressed with myself there.
Yeah, that's lovely. The colours all match.
Yeah.
Dead
lady worked out for us.
That's right.
Oh, I like this.
It actually defies
compositional rules, to be honest with you, because there's no
It is
space.
really good though. I
Yeah,
like
it does. It does. Light comes
Oh,
out.
look at me. I'm like a fluffy igloo.
Yeah, yeah.
So look, you can see there that it actually becomes quite a laugh. You know, you're sharing the photographs. You're basically having a bit of a laugh with the model. It's a good icebreaker. You know, you really get to know the model a bit better. You have a conversation about the photographs, you know, and so on. Puts you at ease, puts them at ease, fills you with a bit of confidence as well. So if you're like a beginner, obviously, and this is your first time working with a model, someone telling you that they like your photographs fills you with confidence. That pushes you forward to take, you know, more shots. All right. So that is my tip number 3. Share the photography with the model. Show them the results as you go. Here is my tip number 4. It's a really obvious one actually, but you'll be surprised how many people don't do it. Keep the model comfortable. And what I mean by that is make sure that they're warm. If you're outside, especially if you're in England for a start, it's going to be bloody cold. So make sure that they're warm. You've bought a big jacket for them to wear, blanket, whatever. Water, sweets and cakes and lunch if you're going to be there all day. You know, anything that is going to keep them comfortable is going to make your shoot better. So that's tip number 4. Make sure the model is comfortable. So all of them 4 tips, right? There's loads of different tips, I suppose, loads of different ways to work with a model, but them 4 things, they're kind of like the basics. If you get them right, the rest will fall into place. I absolutely promise you that, because really it's that interaction between you and the model that's going to create them magical shots. And that interaction only comes from when you are both at ease. You know, you are both really at ease and flowing. And that comes from obviously doing all the stuff that I've just shown you. Here is my bonus tip. I didn't add it as an actual tip because it's pretty bloody obvious, all right? Have fun. Enjoy the shoot. Because if you're not enjoying it, the model's not enjoying it, and I can guarantee you won't get decent pictures. Now, you know, you've got to go into a shoot, every shoot, with the knowledge of, if I fail, I failed. There's always tomorrow. And if you go in with that, then the rest is quite easy, as a matter of fact. If you're stressing about it, or, you know, I've hired this equipment, I've hired this model, this has got to go really well, you know, obviously it is important, but if you've got that tension in you from the start, the shoot's not going to go well, all right? Have the knowledge that it could all go to pot and you couldn't get and you might not get one decent shot, because then, you know, you will be at ease and you can you're free then, you're free. And when you are free, you are creative, all right? So, you know, there is my bonus tip. Just make sure you're having fun and you're not taking it too seriously. If it goes wrong, it goes wrong. There's always tomorrow. Now, if you want to see these pictures, you know, bigger and higher res and get the full settings for each of the pictures, and the Lightroom presets, I put Lightroom presets on these pictures, and I'm going to give you it for free, as a matter of fact. If you want all of that stuff, there is a link in the description of this video. It'll take you to a page, you can see the pictures, download the free presets, and hopefully it will really help you out on your first model shoot. Don't forget to like this video, give us a comment if you've liked it, please give us a comment, we love to hear from you. Share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel because we bring you stuff like this all the time. We love to do this for you as well, and we can't do it without your likes and your subscription, all right? We cannot bring you these videos without those things, so please can you do it for us? I really appreciate it. So thanks for watching, and remember, learn more at the School of Photography.